I want you to understand how to boost your content performance by using these proven strategies. I've got them listed out in a Google document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, I've got it in there. You know, like I always say, I've got them so you can get them. And there's the strategies. Start off with, you can want to craft killer headlines, a real clickable headline, and then optimize your content for SEO. The search engine tools that analyze your content and see if you've got the best keywords for the content, etc. That's what you want to do. Check it. If it isn't tested, it doesn't work, like I always say. And promote your content on social media. Identify using tools that give you the analytics to find out fish where the fish are, okay? Don't post on a social channel that you've got 4 listeners, okay? Use the one that's got a bunch of listeners, and you're going to get better use of your time. And then repurpose your content. Think up new ways to improve your search engine optimization. Make your post into an ebook, perhaps, or a podcast episode like this one. There's a lot of different ways that you can repurpose your content, and those are listed in, like I say, in that Google document. And then the last step is analyze your content performance. Remember when I said pick the best social channel to put your energies into? That's what you want to do by looking at the analytics. Google Analytics is a popular one, and there's some other ones listed in the Google document. So creating high-quality content is just the first step towards a successful content marketing strategy. By looking at those proven strategies that I've listed out in this document, you're going to be the best of the rest, okay? Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.